Well, I thought I'd bring in a little toolbox so I could put all my other scratch tools in here. Put all the parts in there where I need them. Put all the parts in there where I need them at. Spare gas cap and oil cap. So that way it's out of the way. Let me set him somewhere else so that way it's not going to bump where I'm not going to knock it off the table. There we go. I got it out of the way so that way it's not going to be bumped. There's my 455 Husky. My 026 will be having a 20-inch bar. I'll be getting an 810 a free 25 pitch chain to make a 20-inch chain for that. I'll use the spare chain for the MS 361 as a length so that I can make a chain for that saw. And I'll use that chain as a link from the 22-inch and make me a spare 22-inch chain. And do the same thing to the MS291 Farm Boss and the MS250 Farm Boss. So that's only going to be in these toolboxes. I'm only going to have one scratch tool. I put all other ones in there. So that way they're definitely in there safely without making a mess. But even that, it's good to have an extra just in case. But I'm all done. I might be able to fix my 2001 ATV X pliers, 4-wheel drive 4-lower. I might get a clone. I might get a new carburetor for it. I might have to use a pair of pliers to open up the oil tank for the 2-stroke oil and put some gas in it. I don't know if the oil tank on the pliers 4-lower works. If they work on each of your 4-lowers, if you got one just like mine that does work, let me know in the comments below. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and shut down the garage for today and go home and get out of here. I don't feel like doing anything in my garage for today. But anyways, I'm going to get a ProYama 62cc chainsaw for my birthday this year. This month in August. On August 22nd. I'll do an unboxing video of it. And then the next video I'll do a first startup on it. And in the third video, we'll find a piece of log to cut and see how well it holds up. But anyways, now I'm going to go home. I'll see you later. Bye for now.